What's going on? We made it out to the lake. We're sitting here right in the middle of Lake Fontana, Fontana Lake, North Carolina, in the Smoky Mountains. So you may be able to see behind me here, we got a little bit of weather. We were going to try to go see the dam, Fontana Dam, highest dam in elevation in the whole wide world. But it looks like rainy and stormy back there, so we're going to hold off a while. Enjoy this nice little breeze we got here. So behind me here we've got Fontana Dam, the highest dam in elevation east of the Mississippi River. It was built in 1947 by the Tennessee Valley Authority to provide power for the effort during World War II.
Alabama!
An aquatic beaver of some sort. What are you doing?
What the dog doing?
Getting slick. Oh, it's slick as owl shit right here. I gotta turn around. Avi, we gotta turn around, puppy. Turn around. Please go back. Oh God, it's so slick. This is the Odyssey of Jason right here, buddy. Here goes nothing. We're out here on Lake Fontana. I've just been snorkeling. I showed y'all some big bass, I think. Check out this boat. See folks. Right now I'm sitting on a log. I'm sitting straddle of a big pine log that's laying in the lake. And there's that wake. Yeah! So this is my log. This is my tree. This is my pine tree here. This particular pine log happens to be a home for schools of bass, all of which were eating size. Some of them are even bigger. I can't seem to catch any with a rod and reel, but I know exactly where they are. They're all hiding underneath this tree right here. So now I'm gonna pull the old goggles down and cruise back over here to the boat. On this corner here, all the way down this bank, around that tree, around the point back to the boat. I don't know how to fish. If any of you know how to catch fish on Fontana Lake, please tell me. I mean, I want
comment below.
Yeah, leave a comment below and tell me how you pull fish out of this lake, because I've heard that this lake is full of fish.
We've seen lots of fish.
We've seen tons of fish.
We've caught none.
Caught none. An embarrassing big fat zero. Look at this view. We are still winners, because look at this view. Got my dogs, my wife, beautiful boat that I love. Look at this out there. I can't wait to just run wide open into this beautiful sunset. It's going to be amazing.